How Freddie Gray died in police custody is what sparked the current climate here in Baltimore. Police just wrapped up a press conference on the investigation, and we want to get straight to 11 News reporter Lowell Melser with the breaking details. Lowell.
Yeah, good afternoon. About an hour ago, Police Commissioner Anthony Batts and Deputy Commissioner Kevin Davis made the announcement that at 8:50 this morning, they turned over the Freddie Gray investigation to the state's attorney's office a day earlier than Batts had promised.
In many of these cases that I've been in for 3 different police departments, one of the things that the families always asked is how long is it going to take? Out of due care for the family, the citizens, the police officers, I set a date, not the mayor, I set a date to get this done. I was communicating clearly I wanted a sense of urgency on this case to get the results out there. We dedicated 30+ detectives. Their full-time job was focused on this case and only this case, including lab personnel and academy personnel and homicide detectives in our FIT team. The family and the community and the public deserve transparency and truth.
Now, Commissioner Batts told reporters that the case deserved transparency and truth and that every lead had been exhausted up to this point. Now, the case has been turned over to the state's attorney. The police department will now take direction from her. Now, we did learn about some new evidence in the case. Deputy Commissioner Davis said that they were able to confirm that after Freddie Gray was detained by police, a second stop, which hasn't been reported before, was made at Fremont and Mosier. This apparently was captured by a private citizen camera. We're not sure if it was a cell phone or if it was a security camera. They only defined it as a private citizen camera. Batts did make it clear that the investigation is far from over at this point, and if the state's attorney wants new witnesses interviewed or evidence presented, that the Baltimore Police Department will provide that. Unfortunately, the media was not allowed to ask any questions. We were only told that updates would be made every hour to 2 hours throughout the day. That's the very latest live here at City Hall. Again, we're expecting another update from police within the next hour or so, but we'll bring you updates throughout this show. Send it back to you guys.
And Lowell, that second stop raises many questions. Have you been able to talk to anyone else about that the new evidence that they say they have?
Yeah, unfortunately we have not, but we are down here at City Hall, and a lot of folks that have been in the media lately presenting opinions on that are strolling around here, so we should be able to get that within the next hour or so. Again, this news conference wrapped up. We had to get the new information to you, but we should be able to talk to people out here within the next hour or so, certainly.
And Lowell, any idea what the next update will be about and whether or not you'll be able to ask questions that time around?
That's been the most frustrating thing for reporters out here, is that they make these announcements and then we're not allowed to ask any questions. You can try to get them out, but they just walk away from the podium. Certainly we'll keep trying, but the police department, though, their hands are kind of tied at this point because frankly, they can't really comment on the investigation now because it's been turned over to the state's attorney's office, and anything they say could compromise that investigation. So as far as anything concerning this second stop, I wouldn't expect that we would hear much about that until the state's attorney comes up with their case, if they're going to release anything at all.
All right, Lowell Melser, thanks for that.